Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fit an image into a frame using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. What most of the student makes mistake, I will tell you that also. So first of all we are going to elements and here we are just searching for a frame, right? For example, I have just taken this frame, right? Let me put it over here. Now we are going back to the elements and here I'm just searching for a travel image, right? Going to the photos and as you can see there are lots of images, right? If I left click on any image, right, what is happening? The image is going over here, right? And when I place it over here, it's not going into the frame because right now my cursor is not onto the frame, right? My frame is over here, right? So I need to bring my cursor, dragging this image over the frame. Then only this frame, then only the image would get inserted inside the frame, right? Else, if my cursor is just outside the frame, the image would not be inserted, right? So what you need to do is you just need to drag and drop this image into the frame. Then only your image would get inserted into the frame, right? So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.